For making the pizza, I have taken here one capsicum, some slices of paneer, mozzarella cheese, onion, sweet corn, pizza mix seasoning, red chili. I've taken here mayonnaise white and burger mayonnaise and Szechuan chutney. Now I will make the pizza sauce which I will apply on the pizza base. For that I have taken 2 to 3 tablespoons of burger mayonnaise, then 2 tablespoons of garlic mayonnaise, and then 2.5 tablespoons of Szechuan chutney, and mix them all to make the sauce which I am going to apply on the pizza base. Mixing and keeping the sauce aside, now we will take the pizza and split the pizza in half to make the double decker pizza. Here you have to split the pizza very gently so that it doesn't separate in between and comes out clean like this. Now in the first half of the pizza base we will apply the sauce mixture which we have made earlier. Now above this we will put some cheese. Here I have taken the grated mozzarella cheese. You can also skip this step if you don't want to add much of the cheese. Now we will take the another half of the pizza base and very gently keep above it. And on this upper half of the base we will again apply our sauce mixture. Along with it some grated cheese, and you can apply as much of the cheese as you want and as you like in your pizza. Now we will add the toppings above it. You can take any of the toppings as per your choice. Here I have taken some onion, capsicum, some slices of paneer and some sweet corn. Now above it add the seasoning as per your choice. Here I have taken some red chili powder and the pizza mix seasoning. Alternatively you can also take the oregano seasoning. Now take the baking tray and keep your pizza in it. Here I have already preheated my oven at 180 degrees Celsius. Now keep the pizza inside the oven and bake it for approx 8 to 10 minutes. I've taken out the pizza after 8 minutes and your yummylicious and cheesy double decker pizza is ready to savor. You can see how good it looks. It also tastes very good, I can assure you that. Thanks for watching the video and do try this at home. You will surely love it.